What makes a good summer sneaker? Is it colors? Is it hype? Is it comfort? Honestly, it's kind of hard to define. Everybody has their different opinion on what a summer sneaker is. It could be white shoes, it could be colorful shoes. However, I think I got a contender right here. I think I got a contender for a great summer shoe. It kind of fits all of the criterion that I previously stated. It's got colors, it's got comfort, and it's got hype. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So here we have
the Nike Sacai LD Waffle in the green gusto and safety orange colorway. So if you don't know who or what Sacai is a Japanese luxury brand decided to bridge the gap between formal and casual wear. It can be looked at as a check in the box for a hype category and what makes a good summer shoe. In addition to that prestigious brand, you also have this unique design. The unique design has this double swooshes, you see these double tongues, you got this stacked sole, like it's just creative freedom at its finest. Basically, these two vintage Nike silhouettes, Nike LDB and the Waffle Racer, basically just fused together, and this is what you get. But it works. With the creative freedom and design that's going on right now, kind of edificed by Virgil Abloh and, you know, obviously Sacai right here, these companies are starting to become more accepting of the contemporary art that goes along with the sneaker culture. So that makes another check in the box for our hype category, something that's never been done before. And also the hype started way back in June of 2018 when Sacai debuted this sneaker during Paris Fashion Week. Pair that with the official release times being delayed and ultimately releasing in May of this year, you have almost over a year's worth of hype for this shoe. Adding fuel to the hype category, you have celebrities starting to wear the shoe, such as Jerry Lorenzo, Kevin Hart, and once they kind of wear the shoe posted on social media, it's a shoe that is unobtainable at this point because it hasn't released yet. So then the hype and the resale value goes up, starts to skyrocket actually. This shoe is already probably quintupled in value because with an original release of $160 and now selling for over $600 in some sizes, it definitely is a hype shoe. So now moving on to colors, we have green gusto and safety orange. Now you have this kind of gold color here as well and this olive color to serve as accents, but really it's the green and the orange that kind of pop. And so green and orange being very warm colors, ideal for summertime in my opinion. And it also makes for a nice homecoming shoe for me because I graduated from FAMU. So now we get to our final test, which is the comfort side of a good summer shoe. So without further ado, let's see what they look like on foot. So overall, not a bad fit. I was actually expecting this double outsole to have kind of like a weird platform effect, but it's actually not that bad. And so honestly, this hits all of my criteria for making a dope summer shoe. Do you guys agree? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys think that this is considered a good summer shoe based on my categories, or you know, if you have your own categories that make a good summer shoe, list them down below too. But with that being said, I definitely put these in a summer shoe category. It's breathable, you know, the comfort is there, and with the hype, you're not only going to be breaking necks in these because people are going to most likely know what's on your feet, and if they don't, then the bright colors will definitely catch them. Well, there you have it, the Nike Sacai LD Waffle. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff that you know what to do. I really appreciate all the love, support that I've been getting from all over the years. Still a baby in this thing, so you know, just keep rocking with me, and we'll hopefully take this to the top. Also, this is one of the tie-dye shirts that I've been working on. You feel me? So it's an older design that I kind of tested this out on. But let me know if I should release these too. Probably do a giveaway of some kind for this, you know, specific design because I only have so few left. So, you know, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Until next time, peace.